got the voltage controller in. Reading 14.9. It's small increments. See, it just dropped. It moves in small increments. Alright, just went back up to 14.9. So me being at 14.9 gives me around 15 at the alternator. It's raining out. Got the positive stuck in there. Put this on my negative, and here's my voltmeter. $14.98. Guess I could give it another little turn to get to 15. Let's see. Turn it a little bit. Let's see what we're looking like. Still not quite there. I'm trying to shake this pin. Still not quite there. And this is at idle. Let me bump it up again. Okay. Oh yeah. Alright, sitting at 15. Well, it does what it's supposed to do. Dual alternator. And there's only 3 wires to hook up on that voltage controller. It comes from a company called Coventry. Red is the sense. I tapped into my switch power. So you got 3. This green is tapped into my switch power. The red is the red, which is the sense power, and then this black is the ground. Only 3 wires that you need hooked up. Does what it's supposed to do. I just need to get some sleeve to cover this. Cover all this up. Make it look a whole lot neater. And does what it's supposed to do. Again, the company is called Coventry. Great low voltage controller. Simple to connect.